What language is this? Match point al supl. What language is this? PT Scala S. Check what language? English. This is not English. Yo, bro. I speak English. This is not English. Scavalca is vault. It's Italian. Got it. Thank you. Stop. Brother, I just realized the problem with this clip. You're roaming with a shotgun. Like, I want to be clear when I say this. This is one of the worst things you can do. Roaming with a shotgun is literally terrible.
Missione a rischio. Disinnescatore di bombe piazzato.
Carré.
Disinnescatore trovato. Proteggete le bombe. Attivate il disinnescatore.
How's this happening? How are you defusing in a 2v3? Faked it. Got off it a little too early. Go! You gotta go! You have no time! You saw him?
Ultimo nemico rimasto.
You might have to stick this. You might have to stick it. In my ass. Alright, we've got the knock. Let me be honest. Not a great clip. The enemies are literally just terrible. Okay. I don't...